Hello, data heroes. The world will run on Snowflake. I love Snowflake. Snowflake makes so many tasks so quick and easy. For example, configuring and using Chargeback to attribute costs to appropriate groups. Let's run through an example. I have uploaded this script to GitHub, so you can download the script, modify and use, share however you want. You don't need to spend your time watching this and try to type if you see a command you like. What we're going to go through requires Enterprise Edition or higher. I'm using a Mac. If you want to see keyboard shortcuts on a Mac, Command Shift ? And I'm going to use a couple of these. Make bottom pane smaller and run the query that you're on. And here are the Windows shortcuts. Let's change our role to account admin. You can always do that. Let's change our warehouse to extra small. You could do that. I'm going to change my schema. Instead of using the mouse, let's do Command Enter. Now to make the bottom pane smaller, that is, make the results set go away so I can see more on my screen, Control Option down arrow. I like changing settings to highlight statements. Show tags, Command Enter. So in admin DBA, we don't have any tags currently configured. Let's create this one. Create tag cost center. Allowed values, Iron Man, Captain America, and Thor. You probably would put in something more appropriate like departments, sales, finance, etc. I'm just being playful here to make it a little more fun. Command Enter. Show tags. So here's the tag we just created, comments blank. To set the comment, you need to do an alter tag. Show tags again, and now we have our comment in there. Attribute costs. Control Option down arrow. But if I want to see all the tags in the account, not just in my current schema, add the in account to show tags. And here's all the tags in this account. The Snowflake account usage tags view has additional information. However, the latency is 2 hours. So when we run this, it probably is not there. Command Enter. And there's a bunch of cost centers. However, if you go over to deleted, we see that they've all been deleted. And the only one that's not deleted is not a cost center, not part of this video. So we will come back to that after the latency is up and we can see our information. If you want to filter out the deleted ones, which is really what I care about, let's add the where deleted is null. And there's our one and only one. We'll come back to this. We can monitor, compute, and storage with tags. So here are the warehouses in this dev account of mine. And if I want to set extra small cost center equal Iron Man, then we will use this alter warehouse statement. And then let's just highlight the rest and do them all in one pass. Okay, those have been set. Storage. Let's track storage. Alter database, whatever your database name, set tag cost center equals Ironman. Done. Let's charge city bike to cost center Thor. Done. Display tags and objects they are assigned to. Tags up here, Snowflake account usage tags, that lists tags, what tags, but not where they're assigned. Tag references is which tags are assigned to which objects. So show me tags and objects they are assigned to. This will give you all columns. Latency 2 hours. So again, the data probably isn't here yet. Command Enter. And we don't have our new tags there yet. As expected, we'll come back to this. Control Option down arrow. So here's the same query. I'm just, instead of doing a select star, just show me the columns I'm interested in. And again, our new tag isn't there yet. As expected, we'll come back to that. Now, if you want to run a report, show me credit consumption by tags on what we just configured. Here's a query where you can get the information using a SQL query. However, note that warehouse, Snowflake account usage warehouse metering history view has a latency up to 3 hours. And tag references, as mentioned above, latency is up to 2 hours. So this isn't going to be populated yet. So when we run this right now, we're not going to get anything useful. And there's nothing here. So don't be frustrated because you're thinking to yourself, what am I doing wrong or my Snowflake's broken? No, the metadata is not updated yet. We'll come back to this. Another option is to use Snowsight dashboard for reports. This latency, though, is every 12 hours, and we don't know when it hits. So this could update in 30 minutes, or it could update 11 and a half hours from now. We'll come back to this. We're back. It's a few hours later, and our data is there. Select star from Snowflake account usage tags were deleted as null. There it is. There's our cost center, our new one. Show us all the references, tag references. There they are. Cost center, tag value. This is one with all the columns. Same query, but just limit the columns to a few that I really want to look at. There they are. First two are database, storage. The next ones are compute. Run a report. Now we have some data. Last time, we didn't have any data. The latency period is up and the data has populated. Let's go check out the Snowsight dashboard. Admin, cost management, consumption. Let's kick it back 12 months. Change it to dev. When you hover over tags, it's grayed out, and it reminds you that tags are only available on the active account and for compute and storage. Active account is dev. We set it to dev. Still no tags. Change it to compute. Now we have tags. Just show me the cost center for these three. And there they are. Iron Man, Thor, Captain America. That's compute, credits used, storage, Iron Man and Thor. That's how much storage. Gain value from your new knowledge by acting upon it. Here is your call to action. 1. Design a tagging strategy and create the appropriate tags. 2. Tag resources with the correct tag value pair. 3. Run reports based on usage and tag data. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning Snowflake, and remember, the world will run on Snowflake.